Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day where you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and setting up these wireless headphones by a company called Riwbox. This is their TX8 unit, and these are budget-friendly headphones, wireless headphones. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, welcome back. So full disclosure, Riwbox did send these to me for free to unbox, review, and set up. So as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I always do honest reviews. This is not in any way or form fabricated. These are always honest reviews that I present to you guys. And if you don't follow me already, go subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started here. So the box here tells you this is your wireless headphones, volume control with mic, wireless connected, soundproof, high sound quality, and touch function. On the side here, it tells us the specifications. It's got a 14-hour playtime, 500-hour standby time, which is crazy, 2 hours of charging time for a battery that's 300 milliamps, so that's pretty decent. The back basically tells you it is excellent battery performance, computer, TV, you can hook it up to iPad, smartphone, basically anything that is Bluetooth compatible. It does come in a white color, pink color, black color, and gray. This is a gray color unit. So let's go ahead and unbox this. That's all really there is to it. That's all there is. There's no like, let's take a look here. Is there any instruction? Ah, there it is. So remove this and you got yourself instruction manual, warranty card. Yeah, you don't need all that. Gives you USB cable as well as the wired cable to plug it in if you want to. We'll keep this aside, I guess. Let me go ahead and put the box aside. So here are the headphones. Oh, I like that snap. That was pretty decent. Snap into place. So again, these are the gray color. Big branding on top. I'm not a big fan of big branding. If you follow my channel, I wish that was a bit hidden, but nonetheless, this is a little bit more conservative, which I like. So first thing off the bat, I don't like the big old branding on top. It's got a big also right ear, left ear, which can come in handy so you don't have to look at the small fine print. And just says wireless on the side. So let me give you this view here. That looks really nice. I like that view right there with the buttons right here on the side. And here's the top view of it. This is what I was talking about as far as, oops, turn it this way. As far as the branding goes, that's to me a bit too much. But the other side is right here. Oops, the left side. Alright, so if you take a look at the buttons here, let's see, it's got a, well, that's nice, it's got a memory card slot right here, so you can actually use this by itself if you don't have a smartphone, which I do like that feature because not everyone has a smartphone these days. It's got a USB connection right here, a jack connection right there for normal headphone jack, power button, volume up, volume down, and a memory button. And then you've got pretty much nothing on this side. So first, let's go ahead and do a comfort test to see how comfortable these feel. If you stretch this out, it's got a nice metal finish on this side and a plastic finish on this side. That's a bit flashy right there, but that's alright. Right, left, let's take a look what this looks like. They feel comfortable. Not bad. They feel pretty comfortable. It's got a cushion on top here, slight cushion, but the earpieces is where the comfort is. Let's try this again. Yeah, I like that. They go right over my ear. Fully cover them, so that's a decent size. My ears are pretty big in my opinion, but yeah, Alright, let me get my phone. We'll go ahead and set this up real quick. It's right over here. Let's go ahead and power this on. Bluetooth mode, headset. Alright, let me go into my settings. And Bluetooth, let's see if this TX8, click on that. Bluetooth connected. Simple as that. Let me go ahead and play a track to see what it sounds like. This is mid-level, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear this or not, but I'll take a look once I actually take my headphones off. But right now, bass sounds pretty good. A little on the high end. Vocals sound pretty decent, so not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and play this, see if I can hear anything out loud. Out loud. Thinking out loud. So this way I can hear it quite a bit. When they're on me, obviously I don't know if you guys heard it or not from my mic, so I will figure out, I guess, once I do replay my video. But these feel pretty good, and for the price that they're at, they're actually not bad at all. I personally, turn this off. I personally wouldn't mind using these as compared to, for example, some of the more expensive wireless headphones, especially for like gym and stuff. This would actually come in really handy, and for the price that they're at, I wouldn't mind, you know, if they got damaged or something, it wouldn't be as hard of a replacement factor. One thing I did just notice as I was speaking, it does have a light on the side, so you guys can take a look at that real quick. Right there. So that means that it is connected, and if it's red, that means it has not been connected. So right now it is connected to my phone. So not overly bright, subtle enough to give you an idea of where you're at, connected or not. So if you don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave my tag here somewhere. You guys can go follow me. But my initial thought of this is, for the price, these are actually really decent. The build quality seems good. They stretch. They've got a little bit of give to it. The earpiece here move back and forth for your comfort. Same thing here, left and right. So would I recommend it off my initial impression? I think so. But let me go ahead and do some further testing, actually put it to use at the gym as well as walking around with just, you know, normal stuff that we do around the house or whatever it might be. But make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram to get updates on that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.